days after I uploaded these 3 videos you're seeing on your screen like right now, some persons reach out to me telling me that TikTok ads, Facebook and Instagram ads are no longer their problem. And at that point I was like, if running ads is no longer your problem, so why are you reaching out to me? So we got talking, and at some point I got to discover that they spend so much money running ads without even getting their capital back or even making profit. Now, if you're very familiar with TikTok ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, you'll agree with me that people spend lots of money to run these ads, and it can be very discouraging spending your resources, your time and everything running ads, and at the end of the day you have not even retrieved your capital back, let alone making profit. So I got to talk to them one-on-one because I really wanted to understand what is happening. So one of the ladies told me that before she organizes that training, while the ads is still ongoing, so many persons will DM her telling her how much they are interested in what she sells. But at the end of the day, those same persons will reach out to her telling her that they are very much interested and all of that are the same persons who won't even pay after the free training. So I wasn't like, what free training are you talking about? She told me that this is what she does, that she run ads, takes their leads directly to our WhatsApp group chat, organizes 2 days free training. At the end of the 2 days free training, she would tell them to join her mentorship group, and at the end of the day, even the people who were messaging her, asking her questions, claiming to be interested and all of that, are the same persons not paying. At that point, she was like, grow with Mimi, what is it I have not done well? In this video, I will tell you the things you're supposed to do differently so that as you're spending money to run ads, you will get your capital back as well as making profit. If this sounds like a video you would love to watch, I am urging you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because after watching this video, trust me, you will not only get your capital back, you will as well make sales. You will close sales and you'll be like, grow with Mimi, you said it. Now guys, let me tell you something. The first thing you need to do in order for you to start closing sales after running ads is for you to create a new customer offer. Create a new customer offer. And when I talk about creating a new customer offer, it can be free, it can be cheap. Now let me tell you something. I like telling people close to me that they should go and study Temu. Go and study Temu. Look at the strategy that brought Temu to where it is today. Now before Temu came into the market, we had Gigi, we had AliExpress, we had Jumia and other platforms, reliable platforms. But you know what Temu did? Temu came into the system with a strategy that you should buy 2 things and get 1 free. See, if Temu did not come up with this particular strategy, believe me, nobody would have heard of Temu compared to the way Temu is being heard of like right now. Now, what was Temu trying to do? Temu knew that they are new into the market. They are new. People might not believe them because Jumia is there, because AliExpress is there. Other platforms like Coca, they are there already. So they came in and were like, human beings love free things. If I tell you to buy 2 things and you'll get 1 for free, you'll definitely want to buy, right? That's the strategy they used. You understand? So as you're starting up, know that nobody knows you. Most especially if you're not a celebrity yet, nobody really knows you. You have to start charging less. Let me tell you something. Low ticket product sells faster and better than high ticket products. So let's assume you're selling a book. One person is selling his book for 500,000. This other person is selling his book for 5,000 naira. Now, do you believe me that the person who sells for 500,000 might just sell to just 2 persons, but the person who sells for just 5,000 naira might sell to up to 3 million persons? Now, calculate the money. Is it not more than the person who sells his book 500,000 to just 2 persons? It is better than that. You understand? Now, the second strategy you must put in place is this: create content. See, irrespective of what you're selling, even if you're selling charcoal, even if you're selling lipstick, whatever you're selling, even if you're selling sand, create content about what you sell. Make videos. make videos, create content, upload it on social media. Now let me tell you one thing that social media does. It gives you that office. Make social media your office in such a way that once someone comes across your page, the person will automatically see you as an authority. You understand? So imagine someone scrolling through your page, because this is the mentality that some persons have. If they come across one of your products, the first thing they do is for them to go through your profile. They have to scroll through. They might scroll through till the post you made like 2 years ago before they will see you as someone who is an expert in your own field. So it is imperative you start creating content. Content is one of those things that will push you out for the world to see you. Content is one of those things that will make people believe you, that you have vast knowledge on this thing you're talking about. You understand? Okay, just look at people like Aproko Doctor. Look at someone like Vicky James. If Vicky James was not creating content, who would have known her today? Probably she would have been popular, but not as popular as she is. Look at Prudence. You understand? So you start creating content irrespective of what you sell. Talk about it. Talk about your business online. Talk about it in a way that people will be like, oh, this person is well versed. This person is knowledgeable as far as this thing is concerned. The third strategy you should follow is create a follow-up system. Create a follow-up system. Truth be told, not everybody will buy from you the day they meet you. Now, if you run Facebook and Instagram ads, or you run TikTok ads and you generate leads directly to your group, most persons after running their free training, they just forget about those groups. It is wrong. What are you supposed to do? Those persons might not buy from you today. Does not mean they will not buy from you tomorrow. You understand? So you create a follow-up system in a way that from time to time you upload content in that group chat. Most of them may not have money to buy immediately. Most of them may not even trust you enough. Most of them have not seen that thing they are looking for in you. Most of them, they are not just prepared yet. So in a situation where you're still on their faces, you understand, the day they will have need for that thing, they will definitely reach out to you instead of reaching out to someone else. Why would they reach out to you? They will reach out to you because you've been on their faces. They will reach out to you because they've known you for a longer period of time, even if they've not met you before one-on-one. You understand? So when I talk about creating a follow-up system, I am not talking about you. Every morning, you go to someone's inbox, you're telling the person, good morning, sir. How are you doing, sir? What was the color of your dream and all of that? No, if you do that, they will block you. They will block you. So the best thing for you to do is for you to, maybe once or 2 times in a week, you create strategic content. Create strategic content. Put it in all those groups. So let's assume you have like 5 to 6 groups. You can post those contents there. Now, when your students have results, you as well upload those contents there. Do not make it a point of duty for you to be uploading content there every day. They will leave the group. You understand? So keep talking about your business. Trust me. You see these 3 strategies I've just given you. If you implement it, there is no how you will not make sales. There is no how you will not close sales. There is no how you won't get your capital back. Because personally, I run ads. I run Facebook and Instagram ads. I know how much I invest for me to generate leads. So talk more of you generating leads. At the end of the day, you're not able to get your capital, let alone making profit. It is sad. So guys, what am I saying in a nutshell? Go and put these 3 strategies into consideration. Go and start doing these 3 things, and trust me, you will definitely close sales. And once you close sales, do well to come back to this video and drop a comment. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video. Guys, if you're yet to subscribe, if you're yet to like this video, kindly do so. You can share this video to your friends and family. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.